Hey guys, I'm Kim Christopher. I'm a wedding photographer, educator, and now I'm a YouTuber. A couple weeks ago, I shared everything that I bring with me on a wedding day and what's in my camera bag. And so today I'm gonna show you what's in my styling kit. Now, I do wanna preface this with the fact that I'm pretty minimalistic and I like my flat lays to be pretty simple and classic and modern. So I don't have a ton. Be sure to click that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Don't want you to miss any more videos. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with my organization. It is not fancy. I'm not a fancy person. I don't have this huge plastic caboodle that I keep all of my stuff in. I literally have a cardboard box. This is my organization. The main thing that I bring on a wedding day is ribbon. I love me some ribbon. I have a ton of ribbon. What I just showed you is what I use. I have a lot of extra ribbon that I don't really use because I just don't really like it. So I am going to link where I got all of my stuff in the description below so that if you are interested in anything, you can go check it out. But the ribbon I love the most is from an Etsy shop and I don't remember the name of it. I probably should have looked it up before the video. It's fine, whatever. I'm new guys. Keep watching. I have a lot of neutral colors. I like neutrals. I have blush. I have a peachier blush. I have white. I have white. I have gray. I have like a very light blush. And we're seeing a trend here. I have a really pretty taupe, and this is new. I'm excited to use it. This one is new. This white is new, and this blue is new. I really love this blue. This is 1 inch, but I found that I really love. I think this is 1.5 inches. Almost positive. I'm like 99% sure. And this is what I like a lot better. I don't have any 2-inch ribbon. I do want to get some of that. But yes, it already comes on the spool. And with this new one, I got this really pretty dark spool instead of the light. So kind of excited to branch out a little bit. But yeah, so a lot of blush, a lot of neutrals, 1 blue. We're doing it. There's my ribbon. So when I do ribbon, I use it for the invitation. Sometimes I'll drape it next to the shoes or on the shoes, the rings. Yeah. Okay. And then I have ring boxes. I have pink one. I got this off Amazon. And then I have white, and then I have gray. These are both from an Etsy shop called The Family Jewels. Hopefully my clients will have some kind of ring box that they would want me to use instead that's specifically in their wedding color. I've had a lot of brides have them monogrammed with their initials. Very pretty. So if they have a ring box, of course I'm gonna use theirs, but if they don't and one of these matches, then I'll just use one of these. Oh, also a really fun thing is this fake ring. And if you watched my video on how to photograph rings with extension tubes, I use this ring from Amazon. I love it. It's really pretty. Honestly, sometimes I wear it like it's my real engagement ring, so it's fine. I'm weird. I also have vintage stamps, and I just carry this little guy with me. And it has all kinds of colors, blues, browns, greens, pinks, reds, everything. I think I got this off maybe eBay, maybe. I mean, they're not very expensive. You can find them everywhere. And I also have wax seals. So I have a few in this really pretty cream. I have a few in this like coppery gold color. And then you know it, I got it in blush. I bring these, sometimes I will sell invitations with it, sometimes I don't. Just if it fits in the wedding day, then I will. If it doesn't, then I don't use it. So I don't use all this stuff all the time. Okay, another thing I bring is a wooden hanger, and I just use this if the bride doesn't have a hanger, so it's just, of course, way better than the plastic one that the dress already comes on. I would say probably about 50% of the time I end up using this hanger, so. Okay, I also have trays. I have this one from the Dollar Tree, and I don't use it often because it's reflective. It's not my favorite, but a new one I got off Amazon because it was on sale. I love me some sales. Is this really pretty vintage antique looking guy? I'm so excited to use this. Hopefully my wedding's coming up. I think it's gonna be really pretty for, gosh, everything. Just flowers. I could see some boutonnieres on here or some shoes, the invitation. I'm just really excited to use it. So I also don't use these very often. Honestly, I don't know the last time I've used them, but I do have them, and they're just some cheesecloth fabric. So this is just off-white cheesecloth, and I would just drape it and put maybe the invitation on top of it, or shoes, or I don't know. Like I said, I don't really use it. And then I have this like yellowy orange guy. I just bought cheesecloth and I just dyed this myself. I think I did it for a styled shoot. I don't think I ended up using it, but anyway, I have it if I want it. I don't know. Okay, I have added this command hook because my last wedding, there was no place in this hotel to hang this dress. And it drove me insane. So now I have a command hook for when I'm in a pinch like that hotel room where I didn't have a pretty spot for the dress. I'm gonna stick it up on a wall, take it down. Very excited for this. Speaking of the dress, when you when you hang a dress up like on a wall or a window or doors, wherever you're hanging it, it's gonna be flat and it's gonna spread out, right? It's not gonna look like it is on the body. So I have these little clamps. I got some little guys too. I think I got these at Lowe's. Any hardware store has them though. I just pinched the back of the dress a little bit with these guys. I actually end up using the small ones more often. And then that's just gonna make the wedding dress hang really pretty in a really pretty shape rather than just like flat against the wall. Now, I do not bring all of this on a wedding day with me. What I actually do is send my brides a wedding day questionnaire about, I think 6 weeks before their wedding day. And one of the questions asks them what their wedding colors are. That way I know if they're having a blush wedding, I can bring all of my blush things. Or if they're having a dusty blue wedding, I can bring my blue things that's gonna match. I just choose what I think is gonna match their wedding day, and I just bring that. I'm not gonna bring the whole thing, which, I mean, I don't have a ton. I could bring it all. I just choose not to. I just wanna pack a little bit lighter. Okay guys, like I said, everything I talked about is gonna be linked below if you wanna check anything out. There's a peek into my styling kit. I hope this was helpful. Click that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.